Welcome. In this video, I'll talk about objects in Python. Everything in Python is object. Let's show you what I mean with this word. Let's start. Everything in Python is an object of a particular type. Is a unit of data. Object is a unit of data have one or more attribute of a particular class or type. This is the object. With associated functionality, methods. Okay, remember, an object is a unit of data have one or more attribute of a particular class or type. This is properties. With associated functionality, this is methods. Let's see this example here. Here I create a list. I create a variable called bool equal to true. I create a variable equal with name mynone equal to none. I create a variable with name this type which equals the type of my list. Then I create a function here which print hello. Here if I print the type of my list, I'll get class list, which means that this is an object of the main class in Python programming language which call list. Here if I said my bool equal to true, this means that this class bool, this my bool is an object of my class bool, and this none type my none here which equal none is just a none type. This is an object from none type class, and this here this type is just a type, just an object of type class, and here our function is just an object of the Python class functions. Remember, in the last sections of our course, I show you what we mean by string. If I said x equal to Ahmed, I show how we can use some methods in our string like x dot upper to make all these letters capital. Remember, what make us know that this Ahmed here, that this method here can work with this here, because this is a string. This x here is just an object. This x is just an object from the main class string, and the main class contains a lot of methods like x.upper, which we can apply this method on our object x Ahmed. If you remember, I told you that this method is just a built-in string methods, a built-in. These methods have been defined in the language. Okay, this x here is just an object from the main class string, and this method is just a built-in method defined in the main class string in the programming language. Everything we use in Python is just an object. If we use any variable here, is just this variable is just an object from the main class which is defined in the programming language, like class list, the class bool, like class none type, class function, class string, and so on. Okay, this is what we mean by everything in Python is object.